Hi, this is Professor Jeremiah and Coach Krystal with Odyssey Martial Arts Spring, and we're doing a breakdown of mount escapes for the kids. This one I call the MMA escape. So that was the escape. Here's the details. Depending on if it's gi or no gi, I always give them the option to have a stiff arm frame. So I have my fists on their hip bones, or in the gi, we can grab onto the belt. My elbows are in close. I'm going to get onto my toes and do a big directional bridge up to one side. And then as I hip escape out, I get my arms straight so I have a stiff arm frame. From here, I can bring my knees back in close to my chest. And as the person pushes in to give me their weight, looking to crush me, I get my double underhooks. I have my butterfly guard, I rock up, I rock back, and I pull them into the closed guard so that I can now successfully defend myself and attack. So it's the MMA escape because it is another one that works good for gi or no gi, whether someone is trying to punch me or not. And I hope everyone was able to pick up the details.